In this video, I wanted to show you some advanced saving options inside of FTCU. Now, these are really really neat features that you don't see a lot. So if I wanted to make some global changes to the way things are saved, I can go into my program preferences here, and I wanted to show you some of the options. I just need to click on this little cogwheel thing here. And when I open up the preferences under formats, this is where we're going to focus a little bit of attention on. And it all comes down to right here, like the default save format is WAF. That means that when you go to save a design, it's automatically going to suggest saving it as a WAF format. I highly recommend keeping it at the WAF format because it is the format that you want to edit from. You always want to have a copy of the WAF version so that you can work with it. The other thing is, you'll see autosave WAF format and autosave machine format. Okay. Now what this means is if I choose a different option here that I want it to save it as a PES, I can have it autosave a WAF as well. I don't recommend that as much as just choosing WAF. And if you want to, choose autosave machine format. And what this does is if I click this, it's going to automatically save a machine format of my choosing. Okay, so this is an option that allows you to save both at the same time. So for instance, if I know I'm going to always save it into a Brother PES format and I want it to be this version 9 for my machine, I can select that and choose autosave here. And what's going to happen is when I go to save a design, it's going to recommend saving it here. But when I go and I save a design in this format, it's going to automatically save a WAF version as well. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to go to File, Save As. Okay, so when I hit Save As, notice that what it's recommending is that PES version. Okay, so that's all I have selected is that. So let's say that I'm going to name this just this flowers, plural, and I'm going to hit Save. Okay, now I'm going to go up to File, Open, and I'm going to look for flowers. Notice that I have this baby lock version here, but I also have the WAF version at the same time. So even though I just saved it into this baby lock format, it also auto-saved a WAF file. So this is really handy if you forget to save in the WAF format a lot and you kind of get stuck because now you don't have that file to go back and work from, that you might want to choose this option. Now for me, I like to save it in the WAF format, and then at the end I'll save it into the format for a machine. And the reason I do it this way is because I might save various versions of a design along the way, and I don't need the machine format and all those other versions of the design I'm working on. I just want it for the last one, the final one. And so for me, I don't like to have it autosave into the different formats. But that's a personal preference. If you forget a lot of times to save it in the WAF format and you only save it into the format for your machine, I would highly recommend choosing this option. Choose the option for your machine. It could be any of the machine formats that you want to use here. So if you work with a commercial machine, you might choose DST and then autosave WAF. And that way you'll never forget again to save the WAF file. It'll automatically be saved every time. So that's just how the kind of a more advanced feature of saving works inside the Floriani software. And so I hope that this is helpful, and it's definitely an option that you should look at, especially if you forget to save the WAF file from time to time.